Week 4, Ethics, Roles, Procedures. As mentioned, everyone has a role to play, and there's a formula to the proceedings which will be used in every situation. This week, you will need to go to the healthcare center. Most healthcare centers are private, so you'll need to request permission to participate. Remember to keep a journal and write something related to this week's topic, ethics, roles, and procedures. Include this in the discussion forum for class participation. Search the Bible for something related to this week's topic and write a brief description. Find a related YouTube. After watching it, write a review and evaluation. As mentioned, this week's project is to attend a healthcare center and note the various potential ethical elements around you. You should be reading a book on medical interpreting and writing a brief 3 to 5 page summary of the book and an evaluation. This assignment will be due at the end of the course. Add questions to the question board. Finally, remember, by the end of the course, you will be expected to have developed a lexicon or glossary where you list the words and corresponding words in your chosen language. As you will discover, healthcare facilities, for the most part, are the same regardless of where you go, particularly in the United States. There are some expectations depending on the specialty. There are some exceptions depending on the specialty, but these are exceptions and not the norm. Therefore, when you've seen one, you've seen them all, or at least you have a good idea of what all of them will be like. That is the reason it's important for you to be present in a real healthcare setting before you begin the process of interpreting. Having been there takes the mystery out and allows you a level of comfort which is necessary when you begin interpreting. Ethics is an undergirding dynamic which is invisible unless something untoward happens. Therefore, it is something you will read about, learn, and take to heart, but hopefully never see violated. There are some ethical norms you will need to learn, such as confidentiality, which are imperative. As the healthcare process unfolds, you will notice the roles different people play. There's a protocol for each of their actions and process. Generally speaking, these will not vary, and as you become comfortable, you'll be able to anticipate what will happen next, who will speak, and even what they will say. Once you master this, it will make your job immeasurably easier. Pay attention and learn so that you won't have to learn it new every time. As you work in this arena, you will begin to notice the role different players want you to perform. Be attuned to these needs and how you, as the interpreter, can help.